3 ways to earn income from your YouTube channel without AdSense with step-by-step instructions. Affiliate marketing is a marketing arrangement in which affiliates receive a commission for each visit, sign-up, or sale they generate for a merchant. This arrangement allows businesses to outsource part of the sales process. Affiliate marketing has a straightforward idea. Using a unique link that points to your blog as the traffic source, an affiliate, you, the blogger, promotes a company's goods or services. You receive a commission when a reader clicks on your link or buys the item you're promoting. You essentially bring leads and traffic to a seller's or advertiser's website and they pay you for it. Sponsorships are pieces of content that have been financed in whole or in part by a third party. Sponsorships generally promote the third party's brand, message, or product without directly integrating the brand, message, or product into the content. Referral income is earned when a member of your network or an existing customer promotes your company to potential clients. This might occur through casual chat or planned advertising strategies.